Stopping a sneeze might seem harmless, but inside your head, something shocking happens. A sneeze isn't random, it's your body's emergency cleaning system. But when you block it, that powerful force gets trapped inside your head instead of escaping naturally. A single sneeze can blast air faster than a speeding car, creating an intense burst of pressure inside your airways. So what happens when that explosion is suddenly blocked and the pressure has nowhere to escape? There's a tiny tunnel in your head that the pressure can travel through, connecting the throat to the ear. And that pressure can hit one very fragile structure deep inside the ear. In rare cases, that pressure can actually rupture the eardrum, causing sudden pain and hearing problems.